Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you replace the tail lights, and it'll be the housing too. But we've got our blinker here, we've got our tail light and blinker or brake light built into here, which this is LED, so to replace this you'd be replacing the whole unit. But we can replace this. There's be another tail light clearance light here, and then your reverse light bulb right here, and some models would have a light here. This model doesn't have the light here, or it has been, somebody has deleted it out, but we'll discuss all that. So that's the housing explained. So to start with, of course, you'll want to pop the trunk to be able to gain access to the back. There's just an access panel on the back that we can access to replace these lights. Okay, so back here there's this little cover flap that we can pull open. Whether it's on the right or the left side, there's the same cover to be able to open this up and gain access to the lights themselves. Okay, so this is the blinker light, the one on the top. So twist that a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then we can pull that out. And then we have the light bulb here. And so the back light bulb is a 7440 natural amber. So that's the light bulb you'll get for a new one. And the amber color is just, the natural amber is for the coloring of the bulb. And the reason we want a natural amber color is because this exterior lens is clear. And so we want the amber so that people know what you're doing when you turn on the blinker. Okay? So you'll take your new bulb, just snap it in the connector there. And line it up, quarter turn to the right, and that's how you replace your blinker bulb on your 2008 Toyota Camry on the rear. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.